Hey, today we're going to take a look at the Ryobi 1 Plus HP 18-volt cordless jet fan blower. It's the Whisper series. The model is P21014. Delivers 130 miles per hour, 450 CFM, and gives you 2 times more power. So let's go ahead and get it out of the box, set it up, and take it for a test spin. So this particular unit is the tool only. Did not get the one with the battery and the charger. So basically you get your 3 parts. You get your blower, you get your extension, and you get your speed tip. And I like the speed tip for what I do, which is a lot of grass blowing, and that after I get done mowing. So to put this together, I had a little hook here. And if you look on the bottom of the blower, it's got a little hook there. So you're going to have this there. Put this on like so, slide it on, and you'll see there where the clip is. You're going to push it down until that clicks in. And the speed tip goes on. There's a hook on the actual blower and the connection there. So we're going to line that up. It's got 2 little guides on the top here, so you can guide that in, and that snaps that in. So you get that all put together. Before using any power tool, make sure you read the directions. I went through the entire thing and looked at the notices and everything else. The recommendation is 4 amp hour battery or higher. For 4 amp hour battery, a 6 amp hour battery, and then we're going to go ahead and throw the big boy on to 9 amp hour battery. So let's take it outside and see what happens. So for the first test, what I like to do is I actually try different amp hour batteries to see if you can hear a difference in performance. So we're going to start out with a 4 amp hour battery, plug that in, got our trigger here, and on top we have our turbo button, and you can hear how that one runs. The other thing that you got here is if I press this and pull this knob, this is cruise control, so you can actually have it on and remove your hand from the operation. So now you can hear the sound with the 4 amp hour battery. We can see if the performance is any different. Okay, so we put the 9 amp hour battery in there. You can hear the increase of the power. The same with the 6 amp hour battery. So what we're going to do now is we're actually going to take it down and we're going to use the 9 amp hour battery. For my operation, I like longer than 15-minute runtime, which is 15 to 18 minutes is what you get on a 4 amp hour battery. If you go to a 6 or the 9 amp hour battery or anything larger, it'll give you more runtime and it actually gives you more power. So let's go down and do some blowing of some dried grass clippings. Love the turbo switch, cruise control. I like it for the speed tip and the flexibility of the speed tip. So, highly recommend this for 18-volt system users. You don't want to move up to the 40-volt systems. This gives you plenty of power, and it's fantastic. It does anything that I needed to do outside. With the 6 amp hour battery, running it outside from front and back and stopping occasionally when I'm moving around, I got well over an hour on the charge. So I highly recommend this. Love all the different features. Great addition for anybody's lawn care. So keep this in mind. This is a great unit.